what is the mass of 2/7 of a piece of metal? Remember one thing here, we may apply two methods. One is unitary method and another one is proportion method. Two ways are correct. Which one you may apply, you want to apply, you can do it. Both of the ways are correct. So let's go to the solution. By using unitary method, we are going to solve this. The amount of metal is directly proportional to the mass of the metal. And we get 5/9 of a piece of metal has a mass of 7 kg. Then according to unitary method, you will have to find a whole piece. Either use one or whole piece of metal has a mass of 7 over 5/9 kg. And 2/7 of a piece of metal has a mass of 2/7 should be multiplied with and calculate this, then you will get the result 3 or 3 over 5, or you may use here the decimal point values. Both are correct. Now let's go to the 7. Question number 7. If z is directly proportional to x and z equals 12 when x equals 3, that is, the condition is given over here, the quantity of z is directly proportional to x, and the values of z and x are given, that is for the value of 12, when z is 12, then the value of x is equals 3. Then find the value of x when z equals 18. So we also can use over here the proportional method. Let's go to the solution. First of all, you have to write the condition which is given, which is mentioned in the question. That is, since z is directly proportional to x, so we can use over here the proportion method. By using proportion method, we can write this equation, that is x2 over z2 is equals x1 over z1. Okay, and if we employ the values, z2 is 18 and z1 is 12, for x1 is 3 and the unknown value is x over 2, x2. So by calculating this, do the cross multiplication, then you will get 3 over 12 is multiplied with 18, then you will get the result of 4.5. Okay, question number 8. If b is directly proportional to a, here again the same condition is given, directly proportional to a, b equals 3 when a equals 18, find the value of b when a equals 24. We may apply the proportion method over here, and b should be proportional, directly proportional with a, so the equation should be right with the sequence of what is given in the question. Since b is directly proportional to a, so we can write the equation b2 over a2 equals b1 over a1. And invite all the values, that is b over 24 equals 3 over 18, and if we calculate, then 3 over 18 should be multiplied with 24, and if we calculate, you will get the result with 4. Either you may use the calculator or you may calculate it, then you will get the result is equals to 4. Okay, then go to the next question, and this is 9. For each of the following, y is directly proportional to x. Copy and complete the tables. For this type of questions, when tables are given and all the values is given for x and y, then you have to draw this table and then solve the question, then incorporate all the values in the for filling the blanks, fill the table. Okay, so first of all, start doing this solution. Draw the table. and then write down what condition is given here. Since y is directly proportional to x, then y is equals kx. From the we get from here y is proportional to x, so instead of proportional sign we may get k, where k is a constant. Okay, now if you look at the table, only one cell, within only one cell, both of the values x and y is given. That is, for x when is 24, then y is 6. So by using these two values, we may get the connecting equation of x, y, and x. So let's do it. Employ all the values. 6 equals k into 24. Then k equals 24 over 6, or 1 by 4. And then you will get the equation y equals 1 by 4x. Okay. Now on the next term, when y equals 9, in this cell the value of y is given, that is 9, and you have to find the value of x. So let's try to do that. Employ, instead of y, use 9 equals 1/4 of x, and then you will get x equals 9 and multiplied by 4 and 36. So write down 36 on the table. And for next value, when y equals 11, then solve for the value of x in the same manner, same procedure you can apply here. Then you will get x equals 44. And on the first cell, for x equals 4, you have to find the value of y. So instead of x, you may use 4 in the connecting equation of x and y, where y equals 1 by 4 multiplied with 4, and then if you calculate this, you will get 1. Okay, then on the second cell, the value of x is given, that is 20, and you have to find the value of y, and that is, if you calculate 1/4 into 20, then you will get 5. On the same manner, you can solve 9b. Thank you. Thank you for today.